everyone, it's Sandra. Welcome back to my channel. As you just saw, I was packing up a Pango Books order and a Poshmark order. I was very happy to see when I got on Pango and Poshmark today that I had sold something on both of them, so I was just packaging that up, except for today's a holiday, so I couldn't actually go mail them. But they are ready to go, and I'm really excited about it. This, as promised, is going to be another finance kind of vlog instead of doing my journal update like I did last week, or actually I did it today, but you saw it last week. I am going to be updating you more in vlog style. So this is the stuff that I'm doing to be able to have some finances to pay those bills we talked about last week, because it's a scary situation. Now, what I just packaged is only about $25 worth, and I need about $1,500, but it's fine. It's totally fine. Every little bit counts, and I was very happy to see that some stuff sold this morning. So anyway, remember like 2 weeks ago when I was talking to you guys about my challenge to, like, instead of scrolling on social media, text someone, work on reading a chapter in 1 Samuel for the Bible reading challenge, or work on my Booktube/YouTube videos. Just wanted to do a little check-in. I'm actually doing decently with it. This past weekend I didn't, because I had gone to like a worship night concert event thing, and I had to drive several hours to get there and back, and I was very tired this weekend, so I did have more rest over the weekend. But that is the exception to the rule. I have done pretty well at, like, instead of hopping on Facebook, like sending a text to someone, like whoever comes to mind. I haven't been great about the Bible reading challenge, but I have caught up, and I need to read the chapter for today, but it's actually very interesting, so I'm enjoying that. And I feel like it's so much more useful than just like scrolling on social media. Booktube I've not been doing as great at. I have so many videos that I'm in the middle of that I need to finish, so I need to get on with that, but I will be doing that after I finish this video that you're watching right now. So I also thought that it would be good to update you on the job situation. It is literally such a long process with this online writing tutor. I just got the email about my FAFSA back. So now the next step apparently is to wait a week before I contact anyone, and then I have to contact someone from the school to see if I'm eligible for work study. And then if she decides that I'm eligible, she contacts the hiring person to set up an interview. And I don't know what happens after that. Obviously the interview, but like, are there other steps? I have no idea. So this is going to be a very long, ongoing process. There has been no exciting news or anything like that. I want to look into like Grubhub or substitute teaching or whatever, but I'm also in the process of confirming my practicum for my teaching program, and I don't have my schedule yet. So I'm kind of holding off on other things until I know what that practicum schedule will look like. And it's frustrating because the practicum is not paid. Like, it's literally just free experience, but it's also required. But like, I'm most excited about that. And so that is my priority. But the frustrating thing is I need to also have a priority that's like bringing in some income. You know what I mean? So that is where we stand at the moment with jobs. While I am getting ready to do my weekly spread for my planner, I thought I would check in on those top 5 goals. First goal was 1 video per day, basically being a video for each of my YouTube channels. I posted a video every day, Monday through Thursday, and I did really great with it. That's the best I've ever done, but I did not post anything on Friday or Saturday. And I was exhausted, and so I did not post anything on Friday or Saturday, and I realized how fun it would have been to have vlogged the event and like the experience driving there and driving back. That would have been a great vlog for Friday. Why didn't I do that? But I still did really great. I posted a video on this channel that you saw, hopefully, and if you didn't, go back and watch my recent videos because there are several that I've posted and I'm doing pretty great with it in my humble opinion. I posted a cleaning video. Yes, it was unpacking and cleaning from another trip that I had the same week. So this is why I was so tired. And then Wednesday I did like a school job practicum update on my teaching channel. Thursday is just like my gaming channel, just like Sims videos. But I did really well at just like uploading as many as I can because I had so many pre-recorded and I only have 3 left to upload, and then I can film, play the game, edit, and then upload a video at a time. And they're pretty much, I have 1 more to schedule for this year. And they go up weekly, and I only have the last week of 2023 to upload, and then I will be into the New Year's uploads, which is crazy, but I'm very happy with that because if I miss a day for whatever reason, I don't have to worry about it. So that's great. Did great with the 1 video per day. Want to do better this week. Fun fact, I did not feel like filming at all or doing any of this today, but I am forcing myself to do it. So we're doing great, and we're going to keep going. Goal number 2 was to establish a night health routine, starting at 8 o'clock and sleeping without technology. And again, I did fantastic with this until Friday night when I was at the event from like 6 to 11, maybe? Maybe it was 10. I don't know. It was very late. I realized how dumb that was to try to establish an earlier nighttime routine when I knew I was going to be out super late. I didn't get home till like 1 a.m. And so that just kind of fell apart, and then I rested the rest of the weekend. But we're back to it tonight. It's 5:18 right now, so I have about 2.5 hours before that night health routine kicks in. So that's how that's going. Secure the practicum. I'm in the process of it. I met with the head of school and the potential host teacher, and that was awesome. But I'll talk to you more about that when it's finalized. Looking forward to that, but I can't tell you what it is because it's not fully secured yet. But it's in progress. Number 4, send the Patreon gifts. Have I done that? No. I completely failed at that. So that has to happen tomorrow when I go to the post office. And then finally, finish work applications. I cannot do that until I know what my schedule is going to look like, and I've done as much as I can thus far. So that is the update on that, and now I'm going to do this week's planner spread. Okay, so my top 5 are a little bit different. They are to continue my morning and evening health routines, finalize my practicum, do 2 YouTube videos per day, 2 for each channel, and get those uploaded for like next week and the week after so that I have a couple weeks of filming done already. With my practicum in the spring, it was really hard to keep up with my Booktube. That was more so because I didn't really have the energy to be reading, but I just want to make sure that I am uploading videos ahead of time, and then that way I can keep up with the schedule a little bit easier. The 4th one is get back to Booktube. Like I've said, I have so many videos I'm in the middle of. I need to finish them, get them up. My goal, I think, when I started this year, my goal was to have Monday, Wednesday, and Friday Booktube uploads. Well, I think in order to get back to that, I need to have Wednesday uploads for the month and then add like a Friday upload. Every other week until I have enough videos for Friday uploads and then focus on Mondays. I don't know if that makes sense, but it makes sense in my head. And that's what I'm going to kind of do is just finish up the videos, and as I finish them, schedule them for the Wednesdays. And then if I make extra videos, I can schedule them on Fridays. And then if I make extra videos after that, schedule them on Mondays. It makes sense in my head. And then the last thing I need to do is my church is planning a fall festival that's this weekend, and I need to get all of the things that I'm responsible for arranged. So I've got to work on that. Next thing I want to do is go through and look at my analytics for each of my YouTube channels. I'm just curious. Okay, so that was just interesting to like look at, see what my analytics look like. There's not a whole lot I can do with it right now because not a ton of the content is really consistent yet. Like I only have like a week or two worth of posts on most of those channels, and some of those I don't even have recent posts, so it's really hard for me to tell what I'm doing well, what I'm not. One thing, I did a bunch of shorts, I think it was last week or the week before, and those kind of messed with my analytics a little bit because they brought in a lot of views and a few subscribers, but it's not necessarily my usual content, so I can't really use that to judge how my channel's doing. I don't know how else to explain that, but anyway, I was curious because this video had gotten a view, very random, and now I want to see what people are watching. But essentially that is everything for this video. Thank you so much for being here. Please give it a thumbs up so that other people can find this channel. Subscribe if you're new here and you haven't already so you don't miss future content. And comment below and let me know what you enjoyed about this video. If there was anything. I hope there was something. Anyway, that is all. I'll talk to you all next time. Bye!